How much should you actually spend on a muffler for your Ram 1500? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Flowmaster 40 Series Muffler. First up is the Flowmaster 430402 40 Series Muffler, priced at $101.95. This muffler caught my attention with its legendary aggressive sound that enthusiasts rave about. If you want that bold street presence for your Ram 1500, this is worth a serious look. This means you're not just getting a mean sound, but also improved horsepower and torque. With a rating of 4.8 stars from over 512 reviews, it's clear that many truck owners are satisfied with the performance boost. And it's built from 16-gauge aluminized steel, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky due to its universal fit. Here's the thing though, if you're handy or willing to seek professional help, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic option for the performance-minded driver. This is perfect for you if you want an aggressive exhaust note and a boost in performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter ride or have a very specific fit requirement. Now, if the universal fit of the Flowmaster bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, YOLANDO Dual Exhaust Muffler Kit. Next up is the YOLANDO Dual Exhaust Muffler Y-Pipe Direct Fit Kit, priced at $102.99. What caught my eye is its direct fit specifically for the 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 with a Hemi 5.7L if you want something that fits without fuss. This is a solid option. This means smoother exhaust gas flow, which is crucial for maintaining performance, especially if you've upgraded other components in your truck. Made from stainless steel, it offers durability against corrosion and heat, which is vital for long-term use. With a 4.6-star rating based on 310 reviews, it's clear many users appreciate this kit's reliability. Now, some folks mention that the installation could be a bit complex for novices. But if you're comfortable with basic tools and have a little mechanical know-how, you should be just fine. It's a great choice for those who want a straightforward installation. This is perfect for you if you own a Hemi 5.7L Ram 1500 and want an easy install. Skip this one if you have a different engine model or prefer a more aggressive exhaust sound. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for aggressive sound enthusiasts. Product number 3, Flowmaster Super 10 Muffler. Now let's talk about the Flowmaster 8,430,152 Super 10 Muffler, also priced at $101.95. This one is all about extreme tone and presence. If you want your Ram 1500 to roar, this is definitely worth your attention. The Super 10 features a race-inspired design that delivers the loudest sound Flowmaster offers. This is perfect if you're into performance modifications. With a 4.7-star rating from 886 reviews, a lot of truck enthusiasts swear by it. Plus, it's made from premium 409 stainless steel for durability. However, I did notice some complaints about it being too loud for everyday driving, which could be a deal-breaker if you prefer a quieter ride. But if you want people to know you're coming, this muffler makes no apologies. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a loud, aggressive sound for your truck. Skip this one if you want something more subdued or have neighbors who might not appreciate the noise. Now, if the noise level of the Super 10 isn't your style, the next option might offer more balance. Product number 4, TOTLFLOW 414633 Muffler. Next, we have the TOTLFLOW 414633 18-inch muffler, priced at $178.85. This one's designed specifically for the 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, which is a big plus for fitment. It fits various models, and with a 4.5-star rating based on 289 reviews, it's been well received by the community. However, some users felt it wasn't as aggressive sounding as they'd hoped. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a muffler that enhances your truck's sound without being over the top, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a direct fit with a smooth sound. Skip this one if you're after that loud, aggressive tone that some of the other options provide. Now, if you want something that balances sound and fitment, the next product is a strong contender. Product number 5, Flaschen 409 Stainless Steel Muffler Kit. Lastly, we have the Flaschen 409 Stainless Steel 2-Chamber Exhaust Muffler Kit, priced at $105.44. This one is made specifically for the 2018 Ram 1500, so you're getting a perfect fit every time. If you want a factory-style replacement with quality, this is a good pick. The internal design is aimed at reducing unwanted noise while still providing a smooth, deep sound, making it comfortable for everyday driving. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 275 reviews, it's clear that many people appreciate its performance. Some users mention that it may not be as loud as other options, which could be seen as a downside. But if you value a quieter ride that still performs well, it's definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a well-made, direct-fit muffler that won't disturb the peace too much. Skip this one if you're after something that will really turn heads with noise. So, if you're weighing your options, these 5 mufflers each have their own strengths and weaknesses depending on your needs and preferences. To wrap things up, we've looked at the Flowmaster 40 series for that classic aggressive sound, the YOLANDO Direct Fit for easy installation, the Super 10 for extreme volume, the TOTLFLOW for a smooth tone, and the Flaschen for a quiet, factory-style replacement. Each option brings something different to the table, so pick the one that best fits your style and needs.